Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how you can copy your TikTok link and paste it into the profile description of your Instagram account. How to do it? It's very simple. You go to TikTok, click on the top 3 bars. Here you select Setting and Private. Now here you click Share Profile and Copy Link. Now you exit TikTok and go to Instagram. Here you open your profile, click Edit Profile. Now here you click Links, choose Add External Link. Insert the link here. At the bottom you can sign whatever you want and click Done. Refresh the page and here is the link to our TikTok. The person clicks and it opens our TikTok. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There's nothing complicated about it. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye. See you later.